lane.
What's your point?
You're using a
motorbike ride out.
Oh, fuck off, knobhead. Fuck off.
Oh, fuck's sake. Daft bastard, look at that, eh? Hey, look at that fucking tosser.
This is magic.
What's your problem, mate? What's your problem? I got your camera, mate. You fucking idiot.
You haven't just endangered your life, but that person and that person and that one.
I know you've probably got a lot going in your head, but what you've just done there is reckless and dangerous.
This is the stupidest idea I could have.
And the thing is, all it took is one clip of a curb, all of you would have been dead. QJ, failed to stop, Piper's way. Piper's way towards Old Town. Ready for details?
Yeah, go ahead.
2773, advanced T-Pack, speed 70 and climbing to 80 in a 30. Piper's way to Old Town. We're at medium risk DRA. Conditions are dry, lights are back on. Permission to continue.
Confirm for me, it's got vehicle details. Is it the BMW, the white one?
No, negative. It's given up the ghost, I think.
You haven't just endangered your life, but that person and that person and that one.
We've seen him go down Croft Road, 2 vehicles. We've then gone to stop both of them. The one I've got here has then suddenly done a U-turn. I've dropped my sergeant off and I've gone after this one.
I don't expect no sympathy, but I've fallen out with my best mate tonight. My head's a f***ing mess, and then this happens, and I know I've been.
Right. So what's going to happen is, Lewis,
Yeah.
I'm going to report you for dangerous driving.
Yeah.
All right. What will happen is I'm going to send you some documentation in the post.
Okay.
You will be going to court for this.
Yeah.